Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a dictionary app in Sketchware using JSON object. So let's start. Here this is my main activity, and in this I have a list view 1, and I have an edit text 1, for which the hint is search. In events, I have added a more block called words to map, and here I have created a map variable called map and string variables a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, l, m, n, o, p, r, s, t, u, v, w. Up to w I have created string variables. So here I have set string a to, at the beginning I have put a opening curly bracket, then I have this word in double quotes followed by a colon, followed by the meaning in double quotes, followed by a comma. Then I have another word from a in double quotes, followed by colon, followed by meaning in double quotes, followed by a comma, and the last word in this string ends with a comma. Here you can see the word in double quotes followed by colon, followed by the meaning in double quotes, followed by a comma. This is the last word for this string. So I have set this string a to this thing. Now similarly I have set string b to join a and all the words from b. Here also there are no curly brackets. Here I have put all the words followed by colon, followed by the meaning, and after each meaning there is a comma even after the last word meaning pair. Similarly I have set string c, string d, string e, string f, and in this way I have added words up to w. So here I have the word from w in double quotes followed by colon, followed by the meaning in double quotes, followed by a comma. But the last word meaning pair doesn't have comma at the end. This is the last word meaning pair, the white blood cell count. It doesn't have comma at the end, and it has this closing curly bracket. So this whole thing from a to w will be added to this string w. So this string w contains this whole thing, all the words, and all this thing is in JSON object form. It starts with a curly bracket, ends with a curly bracket, and it has key value pairs in the form of word meaning pairs, and there is no comma at the end. Only this thing has to be remembered. Now I convert this JSON object to a map variable. All JSON objects can be converted to map variables. So here I convert it to a map variable called map. Now I use this map variable has to be created in onCreate. So I use this more block words to map in onCreate. In onCreate I use this more block, so it will create the map variable. Now I get all the keys from the map variable to list string called list. So getting all the keys from map variable means getting all the words from this map variable. So all these words are the keys, so they will be added to the list string called list. So after getting all the keys to list, I get a list of words. Then I sort this list alphabetically by writing collections.sort list. Here this list is the list string, which is list. After that I display this list string in list view 1. Now once this is created. I have this edit text 1. So I will show you how to search this list. There is edit text 1 on text changed. Here I create an array adapter called adapter. So this array adapter is equal to array adapter list view 1 get adapter. So this will be the this will define a new adapter, which is the adapter of list view 1, and we filter this adapter by writing adapter dot get filter dot filter underscore character sequence. This underscore character sequence is equivalent to this block character sequence. So this will search the list view, and then I have this list view 1 on item clicked event. When list view 1 is clicked, here I have created an intent component I, and I have created a string variable called word. Here is the string variable word. So initially I set screen to meaning activity. Here I have a new activity called meaning.xml, and in this I have a scroll view, and inside this I have a text view 1. So let's go back. Here when list view 1 is clicked, I set screen meaning activity, then I set this string variable word, this word, this I use this string variable word. Here word is equal to list view 1 dot get item at position underscore position dot to string. Here this underscore position is same as this position. So I get the item at that position of list view 1 and convert it to string and set it as the string variable word. Now I save this in intent using this key word value word, and I use this key meaning for value map get key word. So both the word and the meaning are saved in these intent put extra key, and then I start activity intent. This will open the meaning activity. Let's go to meaning activity. In meaning activity, in on create event, I set the title of activity to the word, and I display the meaning in text view 1, and that's all is required. Now let's check this app. Here is this dictionary. Here you can see all the words which are there. If I click on anything like anticoagulant, it will display the meaning of anticoagulant. Acute, it will display the meaning, and artery, so this is the meaning. Now suppose I search this by writing antibody, the antibody will be in the beginning, and when I click on antibody, it will display the meaning of antibody, and this is meaning of anticoagulant. So in this way we can create a simple dictionary app in Sketchware. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much for watching this video.